Every journey begins where nature offers its first yield. Selection starts with touch, sight, and experience. Speed means nothing without care.
Harvest becomes momentum. Each crate holds the weight of a season, and every roll, a step.
The field releases its harvest. Each row gives way to the next, and the path leads to order begins before machines ever engage.
All line aligned, ready for lift.
Approach.
Manual effort hands off to mechanical strength.
Starts long before processing.
Stability preserves quality.
All crates secured, PPE intact, no discrepancies. Proceeding.
Harvest leaves the soil behind.
Finally, this beast is awake. Let's...
The journey narrows toward purpose.
Distance compresses time. Every mile feels like a breath. But the destination waits.
Control guides every transition.
The ecosystem begins to change. The ecosystem begins to change.
Arrival is no longer distant.
Raw fruit enters the system.
Check everyone, no exceptions. This one's bruised, set it aside. Clean and firm, that's what we want. Quality start.
Cleanliness protects purity.
Only perfection continues.
Structure gives way to transformation. Heat concentrates.
Precision guides consistency.
Purity is refined, every particle removed. Only the purest remains.
The sample is secure. Quality is verified. Proceed.
Standards are confirmed. The product takes its final form. Identity is assigned. Identity is assigned.
Prepared for distribution. Every pallet secured, ready to move. On.
Ready for the world.
The journey continues beyond these walls. And this is how modern factories produce Tamarillo concentrate from start to finish.